The silent glow, skin cycling, and the beauty of recovery in 2025. In a world addicted to instant results, the trend of skin cycling is gaining massive traction in 2025. Instead of overwhelming your skin with constant treatments, skin cycling promotes rest and rhythm, a simple 4-day cycle where active ingredients like retinol and acids are balanced with recovery nights. This gentle yet powerful routine allows the skin barrier to heal, leading to long-term radiance. Dermatologists worldwide now recommend this method for anyone dealing with sensitivity, breakouts, or dullness from product overload. What makes skin cycling particularly captivating is its science-backed simplicity. Day 1, exfoliate. Day 2, retinoid. Days 3 and 4, recovery and hydration. This pattern not only maximizes the efficacy of active ingredients, but also minimizes irritation, making it perfect for nearly every skin type. The less is more philosophy resonates deeply with a generation burned out by overly complex routines and aggressive marketing. Skinfluencers now showcase their off nights as proudly as their glow-ups. Parallel to this, a major shift is happening in how beauty is perceived. Skin texture is no longer taboo. The filter-free movement, bolstered by Gen Z and late millennials, is transforming beauty standards in real time. Pores, fine lines, and breakouts are becoming symbols of authenticity, not flaws to be hidden. Brands are adapting quickly. Product campaigns now feature real skin, not airbrushed illusions. The rise of this authenticity culture marks a return to human-centered beauty, breaking away from the pixel-perfect aesthetic of the past decade. Finally, the link between inner health and outer beauty is now front and center. Gut health is the new skincare frontier. Probiotic-rich foods, personalized nutrition plans, and anti-inflammatory diets are gaining momentum as go-to solutions for clearer skin and stronger hair. Influencers and experts alike are teaching their audiences that beauty starts in the microbiome. Instead of a cabinet full of serums, many now start their routines in the kitchen with kefir, fermented veggies, and omega-rich meals. The message is clear. Radiant skin isn't just applied. It's nourished, cycled, and celebrated from within.